I'll need a boat.
I'm gonna cut the kickstand off. I won't need that on my boat. My first beaver dam. Damn those beavers!
This is a water moccasin. It's a native snake of the wetlands. He's a big sucker. Maybe you can get him to open his mouth. You'll see why they call him a cottonmouth. He's really strong and really poisonous. When I was a kid, I got bit by one of these. Put me in the hospital 5 days. They're a beautiful animal, but they command respect. Don't ever pick one of these up. Now, this snake is an important part of the Louisiana wetlands. They reduce the numbers of rodents. They eat small birds. They eat amphibians. And also some animals eat them. Hawks and eagles will consume smaller water moccasins. Oh, I can smell the scent from him also. That musky smell. I think I'll put him back now. It's the American alligator. It's the largest reptile here in North America. The American alligator is really well adapted to living here in the wetlands. Now, it's adapted to living here in the swamp. It has very thick skin. You can look down its back, these little bumps. They're called osteoderms, or skin bones, all the way down to the tail, a very powerful tail, which this animal can use to maneuver in the water.